How to remove music from Instagram post. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn whether or not it is possible for us to remove Instagram music from the post that we've added, so make sure to stick with me till the end. So basically the problem here is quite simple. If you happen to open up Instagram and you happen to post something with a music and then you want to remove that music now, can you do it? Well, you can see after this photo has been added a music to it, gets converted into certain seconds, which means it gets converted into a video. You can definitely convert a photo into a video before it's been posted, but after it's posted you can't convert this video because it's already been rendered into a photo now. So unfortunately, even if you go to the three dots option and try to tap the edit button or wherever else, you will not be able to go ahead and then find the option to remove the music from the Instagram post, and that is simply the case. The only thing you can do is you can just delete this and then you can try to create a new post without a music next time. This way you'll be able to hopefully understand the question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.